Hello and welcome to Symbox Showcase video. Today I'll be talking through our payment reconciliation demo. The first step is for Symbox to consume orders from multiple different ordering solutions. All of these integrations to these solutions are fully configurable within the Symbox no-code integration builder. If an order is already being paid for via card, then Symbox will simply forward the order via API to the fulfillment platform. For any orders which are going to be paid for via manual basis, such as bank transfer, Symbox will be consuming ledger files. In this example, we'll be consuming it via file integration and also Kafka integration. Symbox will then match the payments against the orders based on configurable business rules. For orders which can't be automatically matched to payments, Symbox will expose these via the front end, allowing manual reconciliation of a payment. And if they still can't be matched, an API will be sent out to Jira to the customer retention team. If payment is still not received, an API will be sent out to the warehouse platform, releasing the stock. If payment is received, the API will be sent out to the fulfillment platform. So let's take a look at this in action. As you can see, this is a list of all the consolidated orders from the various different ordering platforms, the majority of which have been paid for, a few of which have not been paid for. Ones which haven't been paid for, you can jump into and reconcile manually, which I'll show you shortly. But before I do that, I'll jump into the process behind this. So this is the workflow which has been built on the Symbox process builder. You can see the majority of tasks are automated tasks, apart from the one manual task to reconcile the payment. All of these tasks are fully configurable. So for example, for this Jira connection, you just say properties, you choose your connection type, and you choose your connector. This list comes from the outbound connections configuration screen. So if we jump back into the end user view, so what I'll do now is I'll jump into an order which hasn't been automatically reconciled by the system. Now this is a minority of cases, but in Symbox we always offer the fallout management screens. So here you can see the order details at the top and then the potential matching payments at the bottom. So you can actually see here there are two payments which sum together to match up with the total order amount. So the end user will simply select these two payments and then scroll down and then enter the reconciliation outcome, which can then be reported on within reports and dashboards. The user can then upload any supporting documentation, add any comment, and then they would press continue, and then that would complete the workflow. And if we jump back into the Symbox platform, we could show this completion from an end user point of view on the search screen I showed you previously, or from an operational point of view. So this is our process monitoring, which is available for operational users, and they've got access to jump into any instance of any process within the solution. So here I'm jumping into the workflow I've just completed. You can see the status and the start date, etc. And we can also see that same instance from a visual point of view. So we can jump in, see the workflow, hover over to see more details of each activity. Now it's important to note that all of the integrations, processes and interfaces shown throughout that video are purely examples. Using the Symbox low-code, no-code BPM platform, you're able to customize your processes and able to configure integrations to any system within your ecosystem. So to find out how Symbox would implement a similar solution in your organization, please visit symbox.com.